walks out the door. A little egg so round. Now a chick walks on the ground. Cheep, 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 the whole day long. From a tiny egg, now big and strong.
Hi friends! Welcome to my magical forest! Don't forget to hit that big red button. Click subscribe for more fun adventures.